Hi there, it's Liz from Old Staples Crafts. So apologies for not doing a live today. Unfortunately, I've had a rather unpleasant cough cold thing, and I'm really not in the position to guarantee that I'm going to be upright at 11 o'clock on a Tuesday morning. So instead, I'm running the risk of going through my swaps before 11 o'clock on a Tuesday morning. So this is going to be very quick. I'm not going to take time over it specifically. I mean, I'm going to try and do as much as I can. Apologies if I cough, etc., etc. But here we go. So these are my OnStage swaps. Some of them are a bit squashed, like this one, which has some lovely Easter eggs in and is from Sabrina Heilman from the Netherlands, Creative Freunde, I think. Anyway, really lovely origami bunny rabbit. This is from one of my team, Barbara Gibbons, who has done a really lovely card here. I'm sure it's a fun fold of some description. I'm not going to have time to go into all of the packets, I'm afraid. Well, I'll try. But my voice doesn't hold out for terribly long at the moment. I'm a lot better than I have been, but... So, oh yes, pretty. And then on the inside as well. So using the decal circles. Not all of these have names. Not all of them confirm what is being used. So I'll do my best. I'm not going to put that back in its cellophane. That's far too much like hard work. This one I know doesn't have a name anywhere in it. I think it's from Shaz Conabir, but I don't know for sure. It's dogs, so it would make sense. This was from Jacqueline, who's one of my Dutch sisters, if you like. It did have a mini Kit Kat in it, but my husband got to it. This is from Carrie and Andrea, and it's using the Kid in a Round little rocking card. This is from Caress in the Netherlands. Jess Crafts it's inspired by Jess Crafts, and is wonderful in its simplicity, actually, tone on tone, really pretty. This was from my friend Kate, who gave a number of us something for our embossing, which is, if I can get it out, it's very squashed. It's a little spoon. I can't get it out. There we are, a little spoon, but it's a flower-shaped spoon. It's so pretty. So that's going to go with my embossing. So this is using the lavender. You're in my thoughts today, and this is from Alison Long. So that's beautiful. Debbie Miondonsky, using the lovely, now this paper and, well, most of this suite is carrying over. This is the Nature Sweetness, really pretty. That is the class that I'm doing this month, so do check that out. I'll make sure that's on my website. Lovely, how to use up lots of scraps from Angelique, who again is part of my wider team. So this is from don't know who. Let me see if I can open it. This is from... It won't undo. Why is it that when you're in a rush, these things won't do what you want them to do? So this is from Kate. Oh, my friend Kate. It's her swap. And it's a little photo. So, yeah, I mean, it's to take a little photo on a scrapbook page. I should have known that because Kate and I are both ardent scrapbookers. Right, Flight and Airy DSP. This is from, Two Big Girls Crafting. So really lovely card. Look at the dimension on that. Lovely. Super, super. Right, this is, oh, chocolate. My husband will be pleased, from Ellie. And it's using that lovely latte paper. This, I'm thinking, oh, it's from Yolanda, who again is one of the wider team. And it's a little bee charm. So that will go on my scissors, because that's like a phone charm, but I'm going to put that on my scissors. And it uses the bee paper. All those little charms end up on my scissors. So this is, I'm thinking it's from someone who speaks German. Doesn't necessarily mean they are a German demo. So this is for a tea holder and is from, oh, Nikki, my friend Nikki Whittle, who is in Germany, but is actually a Brit, and is part of the my wider team. Bless her. Right, Furry Cat Designs, Karen Henderson. Beautiful latte card, really pretty. Lots of inspiration for my next class, which will be using the latte papers. This is from someone. I wish people would remember to put their names on things, because I will have known who gave it to me originally, but I can't remember now. So this is Crafts with Kel. I'm thinking. So often we do just card fronts. So this is Kerry Lee, Creative Crafts with Kel. Really pretty. This is carrying over. The dies aren't, but that is. This is from Stephanie Heidenrich in Germany. Again, a lovely keyring. So this is from someone. Biscoff. I love Biscoff. Crafty Carol's Cards. And there's instructions and a link to find the full instructions on how to make it, which is always handy. Another of the sweet, Nature's Sweetness. This is from Le Scrap de Scala 69. Sandra Defoin. I'm crucifying things, I apologise. Ooh, Cocktail Digest. Okay, that'll be intriguing. So that's that. I think I'll just pop that in there for the moment. This is, this is for the top of your glue, and is from Julie, Scrapbook9.fr. So that's, to pop in your glue. This is from Sarah Sawyers. I love this reverse embossing bookmark from I don't know who. This is from Laurence Villoid in France, Porto, and it's a little post-it note cover. Won't open it because I'll never get it back together again. This is the cutest little box I think I've ever seen, and it includes instructions and a little thank you. Dark milk almond hazelnut, another something for my husband. This is from Micah, again wider team, with the recipe. So I'll pop that back in, take the chocolate out, pop that back on the front. This I know is from Sylvia Lawrence and is a mini book, which she has sealed really well. Snips. Sylvia makes the most amazing books and things. She is a 3D guru. I mean, it's just the sweetest thing. Look at this. Look at this little book. Isn't it just gorgeous? And you can put it on your phone. So it could be for phone numbers, whatever. Very pretty. Right. This is from Yannicka. Thank you for swapping. Details of, again, part of the wider team. Now, I want to try and open this without ripping all her lovely information. Oh, it's stapled. Ooh, goodies. More goodies for my husband. So, beautiful little pocket with some goodies. Beautiful card using the new Magnolia set. This is from Delphine Rosier from France. Really pretty. I don't have this, so that's really useful. This is beautiful and is from, I don't know yet. I hope the information's on the inside. No information. But it's beautiful. Aren't people clever? Right, so I'm thinking this is from a French demo. Look at this. Look at this. From Sabine Andreuetti, I think. But that is such a clever little card. So clever. I mean, it's a kind of little travel souvenir. This is from Michaela Dojcek. Really pretty, using that cow, cutest cow. Sending Oceans of Love is from Verena Siegel. Oh, she's turned it into a hot air balloon. I mean, like a Zeppelin. Airship, that's what I'm trying to say. Thank you from Christina Kilian Sonnenschein. Sonnensichen? No, I'm not even. I'm crucifying it. I apologise. I'm sure it's got lovely goodies in it. Anyway, it's from the Light and Airy. No, it's from the Hot Air Balloon Suite. This is from Kristen Maren van Dongen. How are we doing? We're on 13 minutes. So this, I'm thinking this slides off, and it does. And it contains, a little Versamark ink pad and some, isn't that the cutest thing? And a mini Tic Tac. Wow. And it's magnetic. Wow. The things that people are getting to put into these, I'm just staggered. Anyway, this is from Sylvie Perrault, Perrault. Little cat with googly eyes and some Mauems. Very cute. Yvonne from Germany. I'm not even going to try the name. A little sewing kit. This is from Bev, who is the mother of Stacey Marsh. Elverta Maus. Very cute. Very bright and very cute. Another of these lovely boxes. Ooh. Oh, hubby will be pleased. This is from Christine well, Stampy Chris. Isn't my husband going to be a lucky chap? As if Easter didn't have enough chocolate involved. Right, this is from Cecily Mollard and is a fun fold, 6x6, little tea and treat holder from, is there a name in here? Yes, Katrin Richter. Really cute. This paper is carrying over. Cutest little handbag, which I think had this in it, from Aude de Marnay, Panda Scrap. Really cute little handbag. Cute, cute, cute. I think what that paper is. Oh, I think she's drawn that paper. I think that's all blends. This is stunning and is from, I don't know. Oh, people, please put your names on these swaps. This is from Julia Wells. Really pretty. And it's a fun fold in that this isn't a full front. OnStage from, I'm thinking this is one of our Canadian demos because it's on a different size card. From Sylvia Muller, maybe not. One of our Canadian demos, but really pretty. This is using that stippled rose and is either way up and is from Mary. Oh, Mary from the Netherlands. Mary Shearman. And actually I'll do this one next. This is from Mary Cortai. Oh, Studio 21 is much easier. I don't know. Let's have a look. So, who doesn't want to pull it? I don't. But I've got to, I think. Oh, and it's got lots of little stampy bits in there. Isn't that cute? So, using the perennial postage dies, but with other things, little stamped bits. That's so cute. Really lovely. Like that a lot. And last but by no means least, a junk journal from SIMAISEN Scrap. And it is literally a junk journal. This is just amazing. Amazing. The amount of work that goes into some of these swaps is phenomenal. I am in awe. Wonderful. So there you are, my swaps from OnStage. So sorry not to join you live, but I hope you understand the reasoning behind that. And I will see you again very soon, I hope. Bye for now.